Nestled in a breathtaking mountain setting, this 2,652 square foot retreat offers stunning views. Just around the corner, the lakes await, where you can fish, kayak, or paddleboard at your leisure. Backing onto a lush greenbelt and national forest, this home offers direct access to pristine wilderness right from your backyard. Inside, you'll find 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 baths, with an open floor plan highlighted by soaring vaulted ceilings. Expansive east-facing windows in the living room frame incredible mountain views, filling the space with natural light. The main floor primary suite features a large walk-in closet and direct access to the wraparound deck, perfect for stepping outside to enjoy fresh mountain air any time of day. Upstairs, you'll find 2 additional spacious bedrooms and a full bath, perfect for family, guests, or a home office. Blending comfort, convenience, and adventure, this mountain retreat is truly a rare find. A generous 2-car garage comes with a back workshop, complete with a safe room, water closet, and utility sink, ideal for projects or extra storage. Living in Pagosa Springs means endless mountain views, fresh air, and year-round adventure. From hot springs and skiing to hiking and river fun, this small town offers a lifestyle that's as relaxing as it is exciting.